Today's recipe is delicious crispy chicken dynamite. With the name itself, it has so much flavor in it. Let's get into the video. You will need 600 grams of chicken. Cut the chicken pieces into bite size and we will do the first marination. For the first marination, you will need 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of pepper, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder for that extra red color. We are not using any added color to it. Ginger garlic paste, a tablespoon will be enough. Coat the chicken with this spices. Mix it well with your hands. We will keep it aside for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we will prepare the batter. Take maida, cornflour, egg white, salt, pepper, baking soda and baking powder a pinch and create a smooth batter. Now heat oil in a pan, coat the chicken in the smooth mixture and fry them until golden brown. You can see a nice color in the chicken pieces. Turn them over and fry it again for a minute or two. They will be crispy and juicy as well. You can see the color. Now we will move on to chopping the veggies. We will finely chop capsicum, onion, green chilli, garlic and ginger. Prepare the sauce with some basic sauces and create a mixture. Heat a wok, add oil and add your ginger and garlic finely chopped. Fry them until brown. Add your veggies, onion, capsicum and green chilies. Keep your flame medium to high and fry all these veggies until they are cooked just for a minute. Don't overcook them. Add your chicken pieces and again saute them for a minute or two. Ensure that your onions and capsicum should still be crispy. Add the sauce and stir it again in high flame. Keep stirring for almost 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. You can see a nice glaze on top of your chicken and sauce is coated well. Leave it for a minute or two and your delicious crispy chicken dynamite will be ready. Serve it hot as a party snacker or with fried rice and noodles. For such delicious recipes, please subscribe to my channel Hoichoi Eats. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye for now. Take care.